Thank you so much.
Muthi wa gukungwira arutani thiini wa thi ukite mieri minini tu thutha wa kihuhukanio kia migumu ya arutani kugumira bururi. Umwe wa mathina maria arutani guku bururi-ini makoretwo makigerera ari mishara ya thi, kwaga kwambatirio ngathi na kwaga ukinyaniria wa mitaratara miega ya uruti wira wao. Umuthi kiama kia arutani KNUT nigitabanirie igongona ria gukungwira arutani guku bururi-ini. Murugamiriri munene wa kiama giki Collins Oyu akiuga muoroto munene wa kiama giki ni guthikiriria mugambo wa arutani na gutwara mateta mao kuri amandiki.
We as Kenya National Union of Teachers, and this is the voice of the National Executive Council, we shall forever support anything that goes with advocating for better education in this republic.
In spite of numerous challenges, you have adopted to new methods of teaching, employed innovative strategies, and ensured that learning continued despite the obstacle in your career path.
Oyu oho agicokia maitho thutha haria bururi urerekeire ona kuhana roguo akiuga miario gatagati ka ministry ya githomo na kamiti ya kwandika wira TAC niyo yateithiriirie kurugamia migomo iria yabangitwo kiambiriria-ini gia term ya gatatu. Miario yake ikinyitwo mbaru ni minister wa githomo Julius Migos uria uma mugeni igongona-ini riri.
We got the second phase of the CBA. And that is why I must say here and now, consultation shall open ways to perfection in this sector.
In the recent industrial action, it was settled in an amicable manner without KNUT resorting to industrial action that could have wasted teaching time, causing inconveniences to students and teachers, and in covering the syllabus and preparing for the national and end-year examination.
Ona kuhanura uguo danaga kugweta thina munene uria ugumiire sekta ino, akiuga ona thenge ya thirikari kwandika wira arutani 56,000 arutani makiria no marabatarania, akiuria thirikari gwikirira muno arutani a gikiro gia P1 aria mambatirire ngathi guthomithia thukuru cia JSS no matiri mandikwo wira.
They have upgraded, they qualify to handle grade 7, 8 and 9.
One of the most significant achievements of our discussion was the commitment by Teacher Service Commission to employ the 46 junior secondary intern teachers on permanent and pensionable terms.
Kuringana na minister wa githomo, thirikari no iguthie na mbere kugacirithia mirutire ya wira ya arutani na muoroto wa gutigirira ni marakinyaniria uigiririki wao kwandikithia maumirira mega thiini wa ngathi ciothe cia githomo.
Will redouble its efforts to engage with the teachers and their organizations and devise concrete policy measures and strategies to provide appropriate incentives, including competitive remuneration and clear career path progression.
Oho akiranira mubango wa thirikari guthie na mbere kugacirithia githomo niguo gukinyaniria kioneki gia bururi kia mwaka wa 2030. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wandurwa.